In this video, I'm going to show you how to change pitch in Reaper. Now there's a few ways. I'm going to show you the one which I do think is the easiest, using effects. So you want to go and select your audio. I'm going to actually pick this one, and then you want to go over here and click on FX, or you can just go and of course do this for the entire track as well. Now once you've done this, you want to go to filter up top and you want to type in pitch. When you do this, you're going to find a few different ones. I'm going to go with this REA pitch over here. So you simply want to click on it and click on add. Once you do this here, it's going to allow you to basically change the pitch. So let me play this before the pitch has been changed. It's just my voice. And I'm essentially recording myself. There we go. Now if I go and select the shift here, you have a bunch of different sliders. I'm just going to go with shift full range. I'm going to go up like this. You can now hear myself.
And I'm essentially recording myself.
There we go. The shift or the pitch has gone up. If I go down, of course, the pitch has gone down. So that's essentially all you have to know. That's the easiest way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.